Hello student, welcome to next practical of Advanced Java Programming. Today we see the practical number 10, that is write a program to demonstrate status of key on applet windows such as key press, key release, key up and key down. Okay, so in today's practical we see the key listener. Okay, a key listener is key event is generated. We see the third chapter, event handling. In that we see the various types of event. Okay, in that there is one event, key event is generate when keyboard input is occur. So there are two types of key on your keyboard. Some key, when you press some keys, that time it is type some character on screen, and some keys are not type any character on screen when you press that key, such as Alt Shift. This key not type any character on screen. Okay, so in today's practical we see the event handling related to key event. The program outcomes of the today's practical is basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork and communication. So these are the some program outcomes of the today's practical. Then some theoretical part is given in your manual, so all students read this part. We already see this part in theory lecture. There are main three methods related to key listener: key pressed, key release and key type. So these three are very important. Now we see the program demonstration. We see the program, write a program to generate key event when key is pressed and display key press message. Okay, so we write simple program to display the message on screen when you press any key, okay, or when you release any key, or when you type any key. Okay, so we see the program. So this is program. First we import two package. Okay, so first package is import java.awt. And second package is import java.awt.event. So in this practical we perform some event handling. So for that we import the second package. Okay, so first import the two package. Then we create one class, that is KL example, that is key listener example. Okay, so public class KL example, and which implements the key listener. Okay, so all listeners are the interface. So interface are always implemented. If the class is there, then class is always extend. So here key listener is the interface. So we use the word implements. So implement is the keyword that is used for the interface. Then inside class we create one label. So for label we create one object of label, and then we create one text area. For text area we create object of text area class. Okay, so two components are created. Then we define the constructor of our class KL example. Inside the constructor of class we first create one frame. For creation of frame we create the object of frame. F is the object of frame, and the title of frame is key listener example. So the title is passed in the constructor of the frame. Then next code is for label. We initialize the label. We not pass any value in the label constructor, so it is display blank label, or it is used to display some message. Then we set the position of label by method setBound. We pass respective parameters in the method. Then next we set the text area. Okay, so text area we also not pass any value in the constructor of text area, so blank text area is display in our frame. And then similarly we set the position of text area by method setBound. Okay, we pass the respective parameters. Okay, so next code is very important, TA. Okay, this code TA is the object of text area. We use the add key listener method. It is used to register your component with the listener. Okay, so TA, that is text area, is registered with the key listener. Okay, you can register one component with many listener. So as per requirement we can write this code. Okay, here in this program we register our text area with the key listener. So for that, first we take the object of ta is the object of text area, dot add key listener is the type of listener, and in bracket we pass this. Okay, so this code is for registration of component with the listener. Okay, then we add the label in frame. For that, f.addl, f is the object of frame, add is the method used to add the component in the frame, and then similarly we add the text area in the frame. Okay, next we set the size of frame by method set size, then we set the layout of frame by method set layout, and at last we set the visibility of the frame by method set visible. So this is here constructor is completed. Then next we define three methods. Okay, so first method is public void key pressed. Inside that we pass the object of key event. Okay, so key event is the object of key event. Okay, then in this method we set the label. Initially we set the label blank label, then L is the object of label dot set text key pressed. Okay, when this event is occur, that time, or when this event is performed, that time this message is displayed in your label key pressed. Similarly we define next method key release. In key release also we pass the object of key event class, that is E is the object of key event, and when this method is executed, or when this task or when this task is performed, that time key release message is displayed in the label. For that, L dot set text. Set text is method used to set the string or set the value of the label. And similarly we define the third method key type. Okay, so these three methods are executed when you pressed any key. According to key it display the message. Okay, then at last we define the main method public static void main string arguments, and inside main method we create one object of our class KL example. Okay, so this is simple program to perform the key event, or when you press any key, that time respective message is displayed in the frame. So we try to execute this program. First we save this program by this name KL example.java. Okay, I already saved this program. Then open command prompt, set the path, and first command to run the to compile the program is javac space filename .java. Okay, our program have one error. Okay, then we again try to execute the program, compile the program. Okay, our program is compiled successfully. Then to run or to display the output, second command is java space filename. Okay, so one frame is displayed with title key listener example. Okay, first I pressed A button. Okay, that time message is display A type, and when I release this A button, that time message display A release. Okay, similarly when I press shift key, okay, so now we press shift key, that time message is display key press. Why? Because shift key not enter any character. Okay, and when I click B, that time message is display type. Okay, and when I release, that time the message display key release. So this is simple program to perform the key listener or key event. And all students perform the same program and try to execute second program as a exercise. Thank you.